Notary here on this good Sunday afternoon. I had a remote online notarization appointment, and the lesson that I wanted to share, or the tip to the notary community: if you are a remote online notary and your state is approved, get a backup platform. And I had been, I had done this, but I actually hadn't used it. I'm like, should I really have one or pay extra fees for it? I had this appointment set up for earlier this afternoon, and when I jumped on to the appointment, I saw that the signer had failed the KBAs. I'm on bluenotary. I work best on bluenotary, right? That's my original platform. So I'm like, this is why you have to have a secondary platform. So I was able to jump over to Notarize and get him all set up over there. Although I had some tech issues, Notarize, I'm still getting familiar with that system, but what the IT or help desk ended up telling me my issue was because of the browser. So don't use Microsoft Edge, use Google Chrome or some other browser. But I was able to use the quick stamp feature and get it done. It took a little bit more time, but the signer was very grateful because he was panicked himself because he had failed the KBAs on the other platform. So that's my lesson. So I'm sharing that with you to save you any agony and to prevent you from losing any appointments. All right. Let me know your thoughts. Are you on multiple RON platforms if your state is approved for remote online notarization? If so, drop your comment below and let me know what your favorite platform is. Blue Notary is still up there for me. So let me know your thoughts.